This powder can be beneficial for cucumbers due to its role in promoting plant growth and health. When used properly, it can contribute to improved yields and overall plant vigor. It contains essential nutrients, which is crucial for various physiological processes in plants, including cell wall formation, sugar transport, and hormone regulation. Cucumbers, like many other plants, require boron for optimal growth and development. By providing boron through boric acid, you can ensure that your cucumber plants have an adequate supply of this vital nutrient. To use boric acid effectively on cucumbers, follow these steps. Mix 1 tablespoon of boric acid in 10 liters of warm water. Ensure thorough mixing to dissolve the boric acid completely. Use the solution as both a soil drench and foliar spray. Apply it evenly around the base of the cucumber plants to treat the soil. For foliar application, spray the solution onto the leaves, covering them completely. Take care to avoid contact with your eyes when handling boric acid. Use the boric acid solution only once per season of cucumber growth. Over-application can lead to excessive boron levels in the soil, which may have adverse effects on plant health. Adding boric acid to the soil helps address boron deficiencies, which can occur in soils with low boron content or poor boron availability. Boron deficiency symptoms in cucumbers include stunted growth, distorted fruit, and poor flowering. By incorporating boric acid into the soil, you can prevent these issues and promote healthier cucumber plants. Additionally, foliar application of boric acid can provide a quick and direct supply of boron to cucumber plants. Foliar spraying allows the plant to absorb nutrients through its leaves, bypassing any soil-related issues that may inhibit nutrient uptake. This method can be especially useful during periods of rapid growth or when plants show signs of nutrient deficiency. By incorporating boric acid into your cucumber care routine, you can provide essential nutrients to your plants, promote healthy growth, and increase yields. Remember to use it responsibly and in moderation to reap the benefits without risking potential harm to your plants or yourself.